Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kaptechpro. So guys, in previous video we have seen how to download and install Windows Admin Center, and now on this video we'll see how we can change the port of Windows Admin Center. So guys, without any delay, let's go to our lab environment and let's see how we can do that. So friends, now we are on our lab environment and let me open the browser. You can see this is my Windows Admin Center and I have logged in to my server 2.kaptechpro.online. If you want to download and install Windows Admin Center in your environment, you can check it out my last video. So guys, this service is running on port number 443, which is HTTPS port. Now I want to change my port number. So how it is possible? So for that, I will minimize this. I will open the downloaded file from which we have installed Windows Admin Center. I will double click over here. I will click on run. I will click on next. So as you know, we have already installed Windows Admin Center. It will give you the option to change and remove Windows Admin Center from your computer. So we'll select the option change because we want to change the port number. I will click on change, and here you can see the port number 443 is entered. So now I will change the port number to 4433. So now our web interface of Windows Admin Center will use this port. So I will click on change to change the port number. So you can see in the status, it's stopping the gateway service. It's applying the setting, it's binding the SSL port. So now you can see our task of changing the port number is successfully completed. I will click on finish. Now let's go back to the browser. Here I will refresh this page. So you can see now this site is not reachable because I have entered 443 when I logged in to this server. Now I will click on new tab, and here I will again enter https:// the server name is server2.kaptechpro.online. I will enter :. Now I will enter my port, which is 4433, and now I will press enter. So you can see it has again prompted to enter the username and password. Let me provide the credentials. In the password section, I will enter the password. Now I will click on sign in. So you can see our Windows Admin Center is now working on port 4433. So friends, you can see now our Windows Admin Center is working on port 4433. Say for example, if your Windows Admin Center web interface, this page will not work, you have to simply click on start, click on search. Now here you have to enter services, click on services. In the local services, you have to search for Windows Admin Center. So you can see it's running. You have to simply click on restart. In the most cases, it got stopped when you change the port number, and now you can see it's running. I will close this. So you can see our Windows Admin Center web interface is now working on port number 4433. So guys, that's how we can change the port number for our Windows Admin Center. If it is not working, you can simply go to services and just restart the Windows Admin Center services, and your web interface will again start running. So guys, that's it for this video demonstration. I will see you guys in next video. For more informative videos, you can check my other video links on the screen and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more upcoming videos. I will see you guys in next video.